What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another stock market. Well, actually, live trading on futures. My bad, y'all. My bad. I kind of messed the intro up. But welcome back, man, to live trading futures. Um, yeah, today is November 19th, 2025. Um, and yeah, we finna get into the market. Y'all know today is Wednesday. Wednesday, I tell y'all all the time. Usually that's that reversal day. If it's going to be a reversal, Wednesday usually more times than not to be that actual day. Um. So yeah, that what we kind of expecting today. But today is also a huge day because we have Nvidia dropping earnings today. Definitely gotta be on the lookout for that. We got Nvidia dropping earnings today, and we got FOMC meeting at 1. Give me 1 second. At 1 p.m. today. So got some stuff that can really make the market move, especially towards the end of the day. So we gotta be prepared. But first thing first, let's get our prayer in and we can then get started. Alright? Alright, bow your head. Lord, thank you for today. Thank you for once again allowing us to wake up this morning, Lord. Um Continue to live this life that you provided for us. Um, Continue to use this body as a temple and continue to use it as a vessel for your name and your word. I ask you to continue to bless us throughout today. Watch over our family, loved ones, and anybody that's out in the world in need of you, Lord. I ask you to let someone come in their presence and continue to show your light and introduce them to you and your word. Lord, we continue to just be blessed with the opportunity to be able to trade each and every day that you provide for us. And we just want to ask for your blessings today. Also, Lord, win, lose, or draw, ask you to let us be grateful for the opportunity. Ask you to let us grow. Let us learn. Let us build on the mistakes that we may make and continue to become better traders and become better Christians for you. And even through our trades that we show discipline, we show bravery to be able to execute the trades. We show just all different qualities that reflects you. I ask you to let it show through our trading, Lord. I ask you to continue to bless us and guide us throughout today. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right, here we go, man. Here we go. Now, y'all know I gotta reflect on the stream from last night. If you was in the stream from last night, man, honestly, I'm gonna tell y'all, yes, Tuesday really looked like a no trade day, and we ended up catching short. But today I ain't gonna say it's a no trade day, but it just don't look like the best day. Honestly, it just don't look like the best day. I honestly think after today this is like Wednesday is going to be that final day to determine how the rest of the week gonna go and how next week gonna go. So this is a very key day. Today is a very key day. Um, like I told y'all at the beginning of the stream, we have FOMC meetings at 1. So that is going to definitely move the market. And we got Nvidia earnings coming out, which is the top AI company we have in the US right now. So hold up, give me a second. Get some text. But yeah, we got FOMC meetings today, so it's going to be very, very, very volatile around at 1 p.m. when it comes out. Okay. Sorry about that, y'all. I just received a text. Alright. Now what I was saying though, the reason why I said today is probably not the best day because honestly we can go either way. looking at SPY, pretty much this is like NQ. Well, actually, I'm gonna go to NQ since the market is already open. And when I said SPY, pretty much like ES. My bad. I didn't mean to mess it up. But we really, if y'all looking at this chart, we really didn't have the best close yesterday. We closed red, which was okay. We understood that. We ended up closing red. We broke this lower low here. So we made a lower low. We're in a downtrend, clear as day. You know, low, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we did the lower low. We did what we were supposed to do. But the only thing that was iffy was we failed to close inside this daily gap right here. You see that? Failed to close in this daily gap. So that also made it tricky. We failed to close in that daily gap. And if we looking at the overall structure is bullish, right? We look at this low right here. This is the last low we had. We only got 2 fair value gaps to protect it. So if we going to have some type of reversal, it's going to happen down in this area because we only got 2 gaps to protect that low. My bad, y'all. My ear was itching. But we only got 2 gaps left. So if we going to bounce, we're going to have to bounce at either this gap or this next gap. That's why I said it's kind of I want like you would want to take shorts because it is a lower low. You know, it's supposed to go down. It's looking for a low. But we also got to keep in mind, hey, we're so close to that can't beat level, and there's only 2 gaps left. The market could just very well just shoot straight back up on us and reverse, and start heading to uptrend. So that's why I said Wednesday. This candle is very important because if it closed green, okay, we know, hey, market trying to start, pull back and possibly reverse the uptrend. If it closed red and closed inside this gap or back below this previous day candle, we know that's a continuation to the downside. We at least know we're coming down to this gap, possibly finna come take this low out to make a overall lower low for the downtrend. So, like I said, today is very key. Today and tomorrow, really. I think this is gonna be the start of either that continuation to the downside, or we get a green candle and we initiate our reversal for or initiate our pullback, possibly reversal if we can make higher high. So honestly, this candle today can do whatever it wants to do. There's no set rules. Like we said, it failed to close below this daily gap. But it did break through this daily gap, and it did make a lower low. But when it already touched this other side, failed to close inside, what we expect it should come up to this gap. It already came up to this gap, so it's literally a gamble today. Honestly, that's what it is. Just a gamble today. What I had recommended last night, I said, hey, trade strictly off of them higher time frames and follow the hourly trend. One thing I'm gonna say, I did say follow the hourly trend, but we could see a lot of consolidation. So it's gonna be kind of hard to follow the trend because it might go downtrend and switch right back to uptrend. Like, let me show y'all. We made higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low, but then we went right back to made a higher high. We didn't even have 2 sections of a downtrend right there. Then after we made a higher high, we end up making a lower low. See that? So then now it's showing signs to the downtrend, but then we made what? A high, low, higher high. And then it switched right back to the downtrend. So that's clearly telling us, hey, we're in consolidation. It's dang near a very no trade day unless you're going to scalp. If you're going to scalp, that's the only way you probably can get in some trades, taking support and resistance. So I'm going to show y'all if you want to scalp, this is what you do. You'll mark out this lower range where it keeps bouncing it. You'll mark out this here. Then you'll mark out this upper range where here, about right here. Even though these candles close inside, you will mark it here just because, hey, it could potentially just tag in between here, So once you get your first red candle close out of here, you can look for them shorts to come back down. Once you come down here and we get a first green candle come back out, you can look to go back up until we break past one of these 2 zones, one of these 2 ranges. If we break out up above, get a close above, retest, and go higher, or if we come down, break out of here, retest and go lower. But honestly, we're bottled up right now. We're bottled up. Me personally, what I'm thinking, give me 1 sec. I want to pull up that. I'm thinking we're gonna go based on Nvidia. And I'm thinking Nvidia possibly want to go up today. I think Nvidia wants to go to the upside. Um, it's possible. I mean, it could shoot right back down and go to the downside, but I'm thinking it possibly wants to shoot up. Reason being is if I'm looking at Nvidia, and I know we're talking about stocks and futures at the same time. I'm looking at Nvidia. Like we said, this is the biggest. This is one of the biggest, other than Tesla, Microsoft, Netflix, stuff like that. This is one of the biggest stocks we got right now. Um, this is the AI leader right here. And if we're looking at the structure, our can't be level is here. Our target is all the way up here at 212. We're super close. You see that? Super close to that can't be level. I honestly think we're going to shoot up. Especially if today can close green, because their earnings come out at like after the close, so after 3 p.m. today. We close green. If their earnings is good, we might gap up above this daily gap and shoot up to them highs. Honestly, I'm thinking we're possibly gonna be moving up for Nvidia. That's what I am seeing, And if Nvidia going up, more than likely the overall Nasdaq and ES, all of them gonna go up too. So that's what my take is. I think we're going to be bullish, even though you really don't want to take loans after just making a lower low. That's why I say it make it extremely. Oh man, I ain't mean to do that. Golly, I did not mean to do that. See, texting and what's it called? Texting and trying to stream at the same time. But yeah, it just makes it extremely hard to want to go long, just because it's like, man, we just made a lower low and we closed below for a continuation. But it is what it is. Honestly, we gonna have to be extremely patient today. I mean, I'm gonna be on these charts for a little while today because we gotta be patient. So we might not get no trade at the very beginning. Might have to wait a little while before we can get some trade. Unless, like I said, unless we want to scalp, that's the only other way. If we want to scalp, we could. And let me put this in other chart over here so I can look at that while I'm waiting. Okay. While I'm waiting on a good setup, because literally we just made lower low. So it's supposed to be slick a downtrend right now, but hold up, what it said M and Q moved to open status. What that mean? I ain't never seen that happen on the side of my screen. I don't know what it means by M and Q moved to open status. Honestly, man, it's Nvidia. Like I said, look at Nvidia, y'all. I know we looking at the options. I mean, looking at options while looking at what's the name futures, but Nvidia just now made its higher high. If it can close above this high and start building base, it's probably gonna go to the moon, y'all. Honestly, if it can close past that high and start building base, we can see Nvidia really shooting up, and that would make this overall market shoot up. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I slick want to get in some loans, but I needed to be in the uptrend. You know, I slick want to get into loans, but I needed to stay an uptrend. Let's see, because technically we made a minor uptrend here at a higher high. Give me 1 second. Made. All right, so we had lower low, lower high. Didn't make a lower low. We need this high to get broken, honestly. This is well, actually no, we need this high because this is the last one we had. This is the last one we had when we made that lower low. We need this high right here at 24,859. So that's what we aiming for. That's what we want to see get taken. I like a loan, but I want to see this hourly candle close green, honestly. I like a loan, but if this hourly candle close green, we're gonna take one light loan. Because we're gonna try to aim for this 24,859.75. But it's looking like we're gonna get it. Look like we're gonna get that green candle. Let's use this as our potential base. Boom. They made higher low here. Did we end up breaking it? Let's see. What was this? This candle low. We had this low was 24,568.75. What this low is 24,572. So it's higher. Okay, it's a higher low. I'm liking the long, man. I just said that, y'all. It look like we're gonna get it. Let me go to the 5-minute. But we don't got no stop. That's the only thing, man. We ain't got no. We're gonna get it one. Oh, no, 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 no. Close, 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 close. It's lagging. Somehow we made $75. Oh my freaking goodness. I had it on 10 instead of 1. We made $75, but boy, that was so dangerous. I had it on 10 contracts instead of 1. Whew. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. That's because I was messing with my practice account yesterday. Oh my goodness. They almost had me bad. I was trying to get in one light. Let's get in one light. Well, that $75 can cover if we lose some of this trade. Because we want to get in one light. See if it want to get a run. It did push up a little too hard though. It did push up a little too hard. We could see some pullback. But we're gonna set it at we'll set the style loss at 175 for right now. So if we lose, we only down 100 since we just made $75. So we only be down 100 off this one trade. Only reason I jumped in now, this a B trade. This ain't an A plus trade because break and retest. But I'm envisioning this to take this high. This potentially gonna be a new higher low down here. If we can close past here on this 1 hour, that would be beautiful. If we can close past this high right here on this 1 hour, that will be beautiful. We wick past it, but can we close past it? That's the biggest thing. That's the biggest thing, man. We got 16 minutes. I might go ahead and take profits and wait until. I'm thinking about taking profits and waiting until closer to the end of the hour. Should I take profit? Nah, we're gonna do. We're gonna just bring it up. Bring it up to $10. So we're gonna see if this fair value gap can sit here on this 1 minute. We on the 1 minute if you're trying to keep up. We up 50. Can this 1 minute fair value gap hold? I don't know. I hope it can. Oh, it's pushing. Come on, man. I might get in some options right now too, some spy options. Because we are pushing pretty nice. Come on. Alright, I'm bringing style loss to the top of the fair value. I don't even want the fair value gap to get tested right now. It probably go ahead and get tested, but I don't even. I'm at least take pretty much $20 to say 18. Alright, we took that. We're gonna wait closer to the end of the hour because I want to see is we gonna close past this hourly high. Because if we just sweep the hourly high and don't close past, we can shoot all the way back down. Or I'm gonna get in off of 1 minute if we start building structure on the 1 minute. Okay, it's pushing. It might take this high. Let's see. I'm on the 1 minute if you're trying to keep up. All right, took that high. We could get in along, but it's so dang risky, y'all. Look at this. It's dang last stop loss all the way down here. It's just too risky, man. It might shoot straight up here, but it is what it is. Like I said, we up almost $100 for the day. It's just too risky. Closing pass here will give us that continuation though, so it's probably gonna shoot up. We just gotta wait on this hourly. We gotta be patient. But I definitely like the long, man. Definitely like this long. Next hourly target is this high here. Cause I don't. Nah, we do got a gap right here. Let me mark that out. We got a fair value gap. Got an hourly fair value gap right there. And then we got another one right up here. Mark out all these hourly gaps to keep us from getting to that next spot. But by it touching that other side, I think we're gonna close past possibly. Cause it looked like it touched the other side of the gap, did it? No, not quite. It almost got there. Not quite. It almost got to the other side of the gap. If it would have completely got to the other side of the gap, I probably would have grabbed another long right here. Alright, look like it's finna go up there. Okay, we building base. Okay, we building base. Can we make this higher high? We building base above that hourly high. That'd be nice. I'm on the 1 minute. Make a higher high. Not up. It made a higher high. Now we just need to kind of close past that high, honestly. I want to take a long. Let it come down. I'm going to take a long as we come back down here. I'm going to grab a long. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. It might not even. Come on. Come on down. Right here, just to the bottom of this fair value gap, I'm going to grab a long. If it come down there. Come on. Because I'm going to grab a long stop loss right there. Or if it take the high. One of the two. If it take that high or it come down here. Alright, we took the high. It's a quick. We don't mind risking it a little bit on here. Where was that ultimate target we was looking for? It's up here. Alright, we need to close pass, man. Come on. We don't need to see no red counter. Need you to close pass, honestly. We might cut it. We might just cut it if it flip red. If it go red, we might cut it, take like a $20 loss. Cause I ain't really trying to see no pullback. I just want to see it go straight up. Alright, close green. So that's good. It didn't close past the high, so it could very well come right back down though. That's the only thing, man. It did not close past the high. Come on, man. They playing games right now. We did not close past the high. Just shoot up. 30 seconds. Just hold it and keep going up, man. We did not close past. That's the thing I hate. We did not close past the high because we can very well just come right back down. If it close red, I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut if we close red. I'm getting out if we close red. Couple seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, we close green. Close green. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it's going to hold up. Or is it going to just flush right down and come get it out? I ain't going to close it myself. I don't mind losing this $75 right here. I ain't going to close it myself. Only way I'm going to close myself if it don't stop me out before this counter close red. Because if this candle just closed red and it didn't stop me out, I close myself. Let's see. And we on the 1 minute. So y'all know 1 minute trends don't really hold as good as higher time frames. So that's why I say I'm quick to get in and out of these trades right here. Come on. If it's a small red candle, I'm gonna just bring it up. I really want to just get out, honestly. Yeah, let me get out. I wait on the higher high. I only took 15. No, how much I lost? No, I only lost $9. I only lost $9 on that trade. I thought it said 15. It need to come back and make another higher high. I don't like that red candle because it can potentially come all the way back down. We need to see a green candle with a higher high. It's too risky. I don't like that risk. Let's get back on our hourly time frame. We got 9 minutes left. 9 minutes left. It look like we're gonna close past this high, y'all. Just need as much to push. We probably got out soon, but it is what it is. Yeah, we got out too soon, but it's fine. $9. $9 loss ain't nothing. Yeah, we good with that. We just want, if you ain't comfortable with the trade, get out. You know, if you ain't comfortable with that trade, get out. All right, we did make a higher low though. We did make a higher low. Let's jump right back in and see if we can get a run right here. Can it run? Can we run? We up 17. Once it get above 30, we gonna move stop loss and profit. Cause we just scalping honestly until this hourly come. 24. Waiting it out, waiting it out. It's too slow right now. Come on, man. You gotta push. It's moving too slow for my liking. 14, 13, 12. Just gotta keep in mind that hourly counter got a couple minutes left, so it can flush right back down to try to trick us out. Soon we take this high, I'm gonna bring stop loss in the profit. Soon we take that high. It just covered that one loss we had right here. Alright, we took that high. I'm gonna go ahead and set it in profit. Set it in profit. Alright, we're gonna bring it up some more. We up 66. At least get 30 off this trade. We definitely cleared that one loser we had. Give it some time. Give it some time. Come on. Alright, we're gonna bring it up 35 or 40. We're gonna put 40. We seen 70. We're gonna take at least 40 off this. That'll bring us up to 132 on the day. If we get stopped out at 40. Well, alright, we taking 50. 50. Alright. Taking 50. If it wants to, I don't know if it want to take this high right now, man. If it want to take that high right now, it gotta close past that high to keep going up. So, honestly, we're gonna bring this up even higher. Cause if it go ahead and take that high now, man, we might finna explode. Might finna explode. Cause we got 6 minutes left for the hour. 6 minutes left for the hour, man. It'll be beautiful. We can just stay green, man. Don't close red. Stay green until we take this high. Stay green until we take that dang high. Dang, I wish I got in on my options. I would have been eating good right now. Dang, I wish I got in on my options. It's fine, though. It's completely fine. Hey, who all in here today, man? Y'all say what's up. Say what up if you up in here, man. Come on, come take this high. Come on, we need you to stay green, man. We do not want to see a red, honestly. If we do close red, just stay outside this 1 minute gap. That's all I ask. If we do close red, stay outside this 1 minute gap here. That's all I ask. Nice. We took the high. We might not even see the red. Come on, take that 1 hour high up there, man. Take that 1 hour high. You so close. So close. Just take this high and build structure above. Dang, I wish I took my options. I probably still can get in. Let me see. I'm gonna get in options if we close above this hourly high. I'm gonna get in my options. But right now I can't do it because this is too close. It can literally take the high, fail to close above, and shoot all the way down. And I'm gonna be mad if I'm in options and it does that. I swear I'll be mad. No, don't give us a red candle yet. Take the high first. Come on, take the high, please. Take this hourly high. We got about 3 minutes left for this hourly high, man. I mean, for this hour candle to close. Take the high. You right there, inches away. Come on. Take the high. Come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push. Push. You almost there? You in? Uh-oh, come on. A little bit more. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now we just need you to start building some base. I'm bringing stop loss up to. I feel like they're gonna want to do a retest. I don't want them to do the retest, but it's fine. If they do the retest, it's fine. Stop loss at 70. They put it at 70 flat. I just didn't want to see it. I think it's gonna come down to this thing retest. We up 136 on this contract, but dang. If it close red, we gonna just get out and take our money. If it close red here. If it don't close pad, we getting out. Come on. Come on. If you don't close green, we're getting out. Or actually, we probably won't get out. I just bring my stop loss up. Oh, we close green. We close green. I would say if we didn't close green, I was just gonna bring my stop loss up. Probably like right here in between this 1 minute fair value gap and this hourly. I might still should bring it up. Yeah. Let's bring it up still. So $80. Taking 80. We don't want to see this 1 minute gap retested, honestly. I don't want to see it retested. I want to see us keep moving up. And we are slowing down though, man. We ain't getting them big old green counters, so it's trying to see if it want to push through or not. We up 152 on this trade. If we go all the way to TP, we'd be what's that, 345 plus our 98. We'd be up like $400 on the day. Come on. Keep squeezing. Just keep squeezing and keep squeezing. Yeah, we got that close above. Come on, we need some base built above here. Leave a fair value gap. Give us some red candles with a higher low, and we beautiful. Come on. We up 200. I'm finna bring the stop loss up. We taking 116 at least. We got 1 minute. Oh, we only got 1 minute for the. Oh, I'm finna get in the options, y'all. Let me get ready for these options, man. We only got 1 minute for the hour to close. 1 minute. Beautiful. And it's closed above these highs. Not only did it close above this high down here, it closed above this high and this high. So we're strong pushing, strong pushing. Oh, I'm supposed to set it right there. My bad. So 340. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. Honestly, if we took one NQ, we'd be up 2,000 right now. We're up 2,000 on one NQ. All right, we got fair value gap here. I think that's where I want to set my stop loss, right underneath the fair value gap. So we're gonna at least take 130. So we got pretty much $70 drawdown. Taking at least 130. Dang, man, SPY went crazy. Oh my goodness. SPY contracts went crazy. I'm telling you, they must shot up so nice. Nvidia is up. Let me show y'all. And what I said, y'all, I think Nvidia want to move up. That's what I try to tell y'all. And I already got in Nvidia, y'all. I'm already in Nvidia. Try to tell y'all, I think it's wanting to move up. It broke past our hourly high, so we got that higher high. Now, the biggest thing, when we get our first hourly red candle on Nvidia, can we stay above this high? That's the biggest thing. We got to build structure above the previous high. So if we get a red hourly, we don't mind having a red hourly candle come up. We just got to build base above this previous high. We build base up here, we know, hey, we're not trying to come back down here. It's trying to go up. So when we see our first red candle, that's going to be the true determining factor if we're going to stay going up. Because if that first red candle lead us to go back down here, then it's not ready to go up yet. But if that first red candle come and then we get a green candle and make a higher high, it don't want to go back down. It's ready to go up. So that's what I'm looking for. Looking for the whole base above that previous structure. That's what we looking for. Man, who all in the stream, man? Who all in the stream? Say what's up. Say what's up. Did y'all get in this trade making this money today, man? And I said I was gonna be on her for a little while. Might have to call it today after this one trade, cause I want to get on my personal futures account instead of just my Top Step one. Cause I honestly, man, this would have been beautiful on my regular futures account. But I've been up so crazy, 300, and then when it's my regular account, that's 300 on my own. It said, "What? Oh, what up, Mel?" It said, "I haven't made any trades yet. But I'm thinking about it long since the last hour kind of closed green." Yeah, that's the thing. Let me go to that hourly chart. We closed above on previous highs. That was beautiful, Mel. Uh, Biggest thing I want to see, one or two things can happen. Either we can shoot straight up to this next high, or we can get our first red candle, and I want to see it stay above these highs. So I'm gonna draw it for you, man. If we do somehow get a red hourly candle without taking these highs yet, it's fine because I want to see, okay, it'll be red. I want to see us come down, but don't go below this previous high. Come down, and then that first green candle that come back, I'm taking longs up to this high up here, because that's the next target. These highs is the next target. All right, those highs is the next target. So we either can, like I said, we either can break, get a red candle, come down, then go back up to it, or the market could just shoot straight up to it. Because we just broke out, it could just go straight to that high, you know. And if it goes straight to that high, it's possibly going to try to break and retest up here to go higher. So we probably can get even more off of that, to be honest. I'm gonna just move. I'm not gonna move the time. Man, we keep moving TP 1,000 times, but it is what it is. I'm telling y'all, cause if it just shoots straight up here to this, it's probably trying to go even higher, cause it didn't do no pullbacks yet. Uh, but it all depends on if it's trying to do dang pullbacks and stuff. But yeah, man, definitely. Right now, the Bulls are in control right now, but we it's just a little. It's a little like I said, you can take a B trade for the continuation, but it's a little risky just because we could see a red candle come for our pullback, for our break and retest. But like I said, you could take that B trade if you want. If you take that B trade and get in the long right now, just go on that lower time frame and follow behind. Oh, hold on, let me go open this door. Oh, my wife's back. All right, I'm back, y'all. My bad, my bad. But what I was saying, Mel, if you want to get in that B trade, just get in, but follow behind, like right here. You see how in the 1 minute we just made a red candle? Set that as your stop loss and just ride the wave all the way up to this orange line. So if you want to get in, honestly, right now is where you would get in at. Take it up to that orange line and stop loss right here behind this red candle. So literally, this is where you'll get in at if you want to jump in right now. And that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna bring my stop loss up. So we at least taking, yeah, at least taking that 228. Okay, Mel. Okay, okay. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. That's what's up. We at least taking this two. If it flip red, we don't. If it flip red, it's probably gonna come kick us out. But we ain't mad. Take 230. Yeah, I think this is one and done day again, man. This is another one and done day. Honestly, not one and done, because we took what, 3 trades. So we took 3 trades. Almost one and done. Basically one and done because we was taking the same trade. We just had got in and out 3 times. That's the thing. We took the same trade, but we just got in and out multiple times. That was it. Oh my goodness, Nvidia shooting up, y'all. That's what I'm saying. Nvidia is the big. AI stock is huge when it comes to moving this overall market. Nvidia, I told y'all, Nvidia looked like it wanted to go up. That what gave me like confluence that, oh, MNQ and ES probably gonna go up too. Cause if that's one of our biggest market caps and they trying to move up, more than likely the overall market gonna move up with it, you know. All right, we got a red counter. It's probably finna kick us out here. It might, if it don't just go make a higher high and close above, might get kicked out here. Let's see. Can we make a higher high and close above? Oh, we made a higher high. Can we close above? That's the thing. If we close above, I'm bringing stop loss up here. We close above. If we close below, I'm gonna just exit the trade myself. If it don't kick me out first. 27 seconds. Let's see. Let's see. What you gonna do? 20 seconds. Come on, flip back green. Flip back green. Flip back green. Come on. Ah, look like we finna get out. Ugh. I ain't gonna close. I'm gonna let it do what it do. I ain't gonna close it. I'm gonna just let it do what it do. If it kick us out, it kick us out. I'm bringing it up though. I'm definitely gonna bring it up. Right here, 235. It might come down. Might come down, kick us out. Yeah, looking like it. It's looking like it. Let's somehow we can flip green, man. Let's somehow we can flip green right here. We probably finna get kicked out. Dang, dang. Go away. Turn green, turn green. 15 seconds. I'm finna bring it up. Bring it up 240. We bringing it up 240. If it kick us out, that's fine. We took extra $10 back by slowly moving up. Make that lower low. All right, we out. We done. We done. We done. We done. We done. $300 day. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And all by 910. That was a nice trade though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Our very first trade we got in, where it was down here somewhere. Yeah, it was like right here. Then we jumped in again. Then we got out. Then we got back in and rolled it all the way up. That was nice. That was nice. That was nice. All right. Guess we're gonna go ahead and call it. Like I said, that pretty much was it. I'm finna go trade on my Ninja Trader, and I'm finna go trade some of these options. So y'all have a good one. Your boy Keys is out. Peace.